How does a foot doctor botch a simple bunion surgery that winds up costing him $1.5 million? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. This foot surgeon violated the basic standards of surgical care. He removed too much bone from this patient's bunion. And now, as a result of that, she suffered significant injury. Now, this would have been a simple case to resolve. It should have been a case that was resolved during the course of litigation. I even approached the defense attorney toward the end of the litigation and said, listen, this case should be settled. We think this case has a value of $125,000, and we are willing to settle this case for $125,000 at this time. And you know what he said to me? You are 100% correct. We believe that the case should be settled, and believe it or not, we think your valuation is right on. We'd love to do it, except there's one problem. The doctor refuses to settle. The doctor refuses to give us authority to settle. So we can't even begin to negotiate. We can't even begin to offer you a single dollar. Why? Because the doctor has tied our hands, and his insurance policy gives him the right and the benefit to go ahead and control whether or not we begin negotiating and possibly settle this case. So what happened here? So what happened here is that the doctor actively chose not to negotiate. He felt he was totally correct. He felt that he had a valid defense and that he did absolutely nothing wrong. Well, I will share with you that the jury didn't see it that way. The jury determined that not only did this doctor do something improperly, but that he violated the basic standards of medical care, and that my client's injuries had a true value of $1.55 million. And by the way, this took place in a very, very conservative county here in New York. So why do I share this great story with you? I share it with you because this is one instance where a doctor refused to allow his attorney and his insurance company to begin negotiating to try and resolve this case for what would have been an appropriate and fair number to settle this case. Instead, he took a gamble, he rolled the dice, and now let the jury make a determination which wound up coming to bite him and cost him $1.55 million. You know, I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you've got legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.